once you click on continue, it's going to start loading you in. And once it starts loading you in, it brings you here to a user questionnaire where it says, which platform are you running your store on now, which is obviously Shopify. I'm going to choose how many orders I process and what categories do I work in. And once we do that, we're going to submit things and it's going to load us here where it says authorization is now a success. So once your authorization is a success, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go ahead into your store over here. And from here, what we're going to want to do is we're going to go to the main CJ dashboard where we are going to start accessing all the dropshipping products. So if we scroll down here, you're going to see all these things, different products to work with, different products to choose from, and, really fun stuff that you can add for your design. So it's all these things that are going to allow you to start working with your dropshipping maneuvers. So once we're over here, let's say I'm going to go ahead with a few products like this.